Introducing the Fluval FX4 high-performance canister aquarium filter. This innovative filter will revolutionize your aquarium maintenance by providing a powerful and efficient cleaning system for your fish tank. With a pumping capacity of 700 gallons per hour and a circulation of 450 grams, it ensures your tank remains clean and your fish healthy. The multi-stage filtration system includes 4 removable filter baskets, each holding up to 1 gallon of media, mechanical, chemical, and biological, tailored to suit your aquarium's needs. The smart pump technology continuously monitors the performance, auto-evacuating trapped air every 12 hours to optimize efficiency and ensure a seamless operation. The compact design of just 16.5 inches makes it fit under almost any aquarium, while the quiet operation ensures a peaceful environment for both you and your fish. With over 5,479 reviews and an impressive 4.5-star rating, customers rave about its performance. Many say it surpasses their old filters and is easy to maintain. So if you're serious about maintaining a beautiful and vibrant aquarium, the Fluval FX4 is your answer. Check the link in the description to learn more and make a purchase today.